In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fonts to Photoshop 2025 step by step. Adding new fonts can really elevate your design projects, and it's a straightforward process once you know how. So let's dive into it. First, you need to download a font from a trusted website. When choosing a font site, always ensure it is reputable to avoid malicious files. Look for the TTF extension, which stands for True Type Font, one of the most common font formats that work seamlessly with Photoshop. Once you've found a font you like, download the .ttf file to somewhere easily accessible on your computer, like your desktop or a dedicated fonts folder. Now locate the .ttf file you just downloaded, double-click the file. This should automatically open a preview window where you can see all the font styles it includes. Here, you'll often have the option to review how the font looks with different sizes, but what's important for us is getting it installed. Next, in that preview window, you'll see an install button at the top. Go ahead and click it. Your system will take care of the rest and install the font for use on your device. On most systems, the installation is quick and painless, but you might be prompted to enter your device's admin password depending on your setup. Once you've done that, open Photoshop. To do this, just find the application through your Start menu or Applications folder and launch it. Photoshop should already be open on your system if you previously had it running. This is a great time to restart it so it can recognize the newly installed font. Now let's move on to adding text in Photoshop. Create a new document or open an existing one and select the text tool from the toolbar on the left. Click anywhere on the document where you'd like to add your text and type in the content. Once you've added your text, you'll want to change it to your new font. Simply double-click on the text layer in the Layers panel on the right to highlight your text. This action makes it easy to apply any formatting changes. With the text still highlighted, navigate to the Font drop-down menu in the Options bar at the top of the screen. This is where you'll locate your newly installed font. If you're having trouble finding it, you can type the font's name in the search box for quicker access. Once you see it, click on the font name, and your text will immediately update to reflect the change. And there you have it. You've successfully added a font to Photoshop 2025. Now you're ready to use your new font in any of your design projects. Feel free to repeat this process with other fonts to build up a robust library to enhance your creativity. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.